President Draupadi Murmu today launched the Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain 2023 campaign in New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said today that this year's budget will give new growth energy to infrastructure sector. National People's Party President Conrad K. Sangma on Friday called on Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan and submitted to him the letter of support of 32 MLAs while staking claim to form the government in the state. Youth Affairs and Sports and Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur launched Yuva Utsava India at 2047 from Ropar in Punjab today. History will be made today when the 5-team Women's Premier League 2023 begins in Navi Mumbai.